What products to focus on in Q4? Again, like literally every single product just works in Q4. You got to think, I don't want to give you specific niches because then all you guys just go to that specific niche and don't have a thought process about it, right? I'd rather teach you to fish, then you can feed yourself, rather than just give you a fish and you go hungry tomorrow. That makes sense. Like that's what I want to actually impart. So I would say focus on products for Q4. So Q4, there's evergreen products as I discussed, evergreen products, and then the seasonal products. Seasonal products are bad. I know they're not bad, but they're just a very different way of running it. And it's very difficult to actually squeeze the most revenue out of it because you have a very short period of time to actually scale in, is basically why. So I would say with evergreen products, you want to focus on products that can be given as a gift or that have a decently nice perceived value. If they have a perceived value of 25 to 40 pounds, that's a good range to give a gift where it's not cheap, but also someone could buy it for themselves. It's not too expensive kind of thing. It's a good price range for gifts to give to someone else. It's not a crazy big gift, not a small gift, this kind of thing, right? And also you got to bear in mind around Christmas, people aren't necessarily giving gifts to other people, but they're also giving gifts to themselves. People buy things for themselves way more around Christmas. Way more around Christmas because it's an excuse to do it, right? Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.